Another day, another hike. Quartzsite Mountains. Got a whole mountain to ourselves.
Quartzsite, Arizona.
Yeah, baby. Desert all the way.
20 miles west from the California border.
View from the top of one of the mountains surrounding this Quartzsite area. It's about 18,000 acres here of free land and free camping. It's not just the hikers that come up here. There's all-wheel drives come up here as well.
There goes Dave and Connie. Dave.
There goes a crazy Barefoot Dave,
Who
a guy that hiked
the Continental Divide
barefoot
in 2018, and there was a documentary by Patagonia on him.
Nice chat.
Yeah.
Fun people.
Wow.
Plenty of off-road cycling in the desert, and we thank all-wheel drivers for paving the roads for us, as gravelly as they are. Just a huge playground for all-wheel drive and I guess some trucks and hiking and